Hello guys, today we will explore coupon code and what is meant by coupon code. If you are giving discounts or reward to some customers, for this purpose we will use a coupon code. And how to implement it? First we will go into our dashboard, and inside our dashboard you have to click on marketing, and after that you will see a coupon options. Then we have to manage a coupon setting. And how? Let's see them. So inside in our dashboard you have to click on marketing, then you will see a coupon options. So you have to click a coupon, then you will see this window. Inside this window, first you have to generate a coupon code. How? Discount. So you have to click on generate coupon code. This one is our coupon code, or you can leave in this way, discount. Yeah, this one is our coupon code. Then you have to select discount type, fixed card discount. I want a percentage. Yeah, I want a percentage discount, and its rate is, let's suppose, 20% discount to each customer. Then you can add expiry date. So if I click on this, yeah, the coupon is valid up to this date, and I want to remove it. After that you have to click on update. So you can see we have generated a coupon code. So how it works, let's see in our website. So in this you have to go to the inside our shop. So I want to buy this product. Yeah, this one. Add to cart. So this product is added to our cart. Now I want to view my cart. Yeah. In my cart I have 3 products because I click on it 3 times, so I want to make it 1. Then I want to apply our coupon code, which is discount. Then you have to apply coupon. So coupon code already applied. So we have applied a coupon code. Then we have to update our cart. Now I have applied a coupon code on one product. Its price is 100. So when we apply a coupon, so it will become 80. Why? Because we have kept 20% discount. So I have already applied on it. So you can see subtotal is equal to 100, and inside this you can see coupon discount is applied and 20 is removed. Now shipping a flat rate, this was implemented in the previous lecture. So we have learned about coupon code. Now if I want to make it a fixed coupon, then what will happen? I want to make it a fixed coupon, and then we have to fix cart discount, and then we have to update it. Now I want to apply fixed coupon on these 4 products, and the total cart price is equal to 400. So when we apply a fixed coupon, what will be the price? So let's see. So you can see a coupon code is applied successfully, and this was a fixed coupon. Fixed coupon means if we are buying 4 products or 5 products or 100 products, so our discount will be fixed, only 20 rupees. So I have applied a fixed. For 100 it will be removed, 20 will be removed from our total cost, and for 4 product it means 400. So for 400 only 20 will be removed from our total cost. You can see, so subtotal is equal to 400 and fixed 20 is removed from the cart, and you can see. So we have learned coupon code.